This is a story about two men, Remy and Robert. Remy is tall and thin. Robert had long blonde hair. Unfortunately, both Remy and Robert are unemployed. One day, Remy gets an interview with Apple. Robert apply to Microsoft and gets an interview, and they both get interviews. When Jimmy interviews with Apple, he meets the interviewer and offer offer a lippy handshake. A lippy handshake is very quick, very soft. In fact, Robert interviews with Bill Gates. Bill Gates comes back to Microsoft to interview Robert. Robert gives a firm handshake to Bill Gates. Unfortunately, Robert gets drunk the night before the interview. Well, he feels hungover. He is hungover. To be hungover is to feel very tired and weak after being drunk. In fact, during the interview, Robert threw stuff onto Bill Gates. He threw up on Bill Gates, so he doesn't get the job. Remy gives a livid handshake at Apple, and then the interviewer scowls at him. Well, Remy goes home and he realizes he had a bad handshake, so he practices giving a firm handshake each day. He practices his handshake. He practices give a firm handshake, and he sends out resume to companies. Robert also sends out resume to big companies. Finally, Remy gets another interview, this time at Facebook. In fact, Remy interviews with Mark Zuckerberg. Well, Remy's body language is weak. Actually, Remy's speaking is very good. Remy's a good speaker, but his nonverbal communication is bad. Next, Robert interviews at Vision, the Vision company with Richard Branson. The night before the interview, he is a bean reader, and so during the interview, Robert falls. He falls slowly during the job interview with Richard Branson, so he doesn't get the job at Vision because he fell during the interview. Remy, after his interview, go home to practice more. This time, he practices his smile and his nonverbal communication. Remy developed a winning smile. He also develops an air of confidence. Meanwhile, Robert realized that he doesn't want a corporate job. He trained his mind, so instead he sends a series of letters to hair salon, places that cut, dye, and color hair. Finally, Robert gets an interview with a hair salon. Meanwhile, Remy gets an interview with the Gibson Guitar Company. During his interview at the Gibson Guitar Company, Remy has an air of confidence. He smiles, his head is up, his head is up, and he had a firm handshake. He shows the company's his resume. He shows the company his resume and portfolio. He communicates competently. He does so well they offer him the job of president. Meanwhile, Robert goes to his interview at the hair salon. When the interviewer sees his beautiful long blonde hair, he says, "Wow, your hair is wow, your hair is fabulous," and Robert is high immediately. They become happily employed.